Welcome to Arm Styling 3 Ways. Today we are going to be doing the Cuban break. First arm styling we're going to have is going to be an L arm styling. So we make an L with our arms, and as we rock step, we're just going to switch it to an L on the other side. As we go aside, we switch again. Now this last one, we keep it there as we step to the side. Boom. Repeat. And. That's it. L and L. Keep that arm right there and step side. Now we're going to the hearts. Second set. Hearts and hearts. Heart. Keep that arm there. Boom. And finally heart and heart. Heart and boom. Now we're going to have the follower do feminine, the leader's going to do masculine. So basically, you're going to be wrapping those arms around followers. Leaders, you're going to get those arms nice and big. Here we go. And rock and side and rock and side. One more set. Rock and side and rock and side. And now let's take a look from the back. We have 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now we're going to go to the heart. 2 and 3, 4. Leave that arm. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And here we go. 2, 3 and 4. Other side. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Don't you want some music? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Heart. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Let's turn it around. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1.
The problem with most arms is that it's really sloppy and all over the place, as demonstrated by Mr. T right here. And so this tutorial is going to help you have very clean arms, and don't worry about it feeling like it's mechanical, because that's what you need right now as a first step. And of course, today we showed you all the details of a turnout of the feet, how you use the knees, how you use the hips, and body shaping in the Cuban breaks, right? No, we didn't, because this is a arm styling tutorial. But where can you learn all of that?
Hipsandheels.co has all your fantastic technique getting it in your body. So you're going to go to that app or the website and learn your butts off.
Wow.
I'm Titus, and this is
Li Wen.
Look forward to seeing you in the next video.